Alright, doing the liquid culture part. Pretty much the same thing as the plate transfer, but instead of going plate to plate, just going plate to one of these guys. Alright, first up will be the shiitake. Yeah, shiitake. So I'm just going to crack this first. Hopefully leave it closed. These are too tall for my camera's at. I do. Well, good chance you're falling over. So I'm going to, same idea, open airspace above where all this stuff is at. Take a nice healthy wedge out. Find a good spot. Nice thick mycelium right there. Nice. Get it on the scalpel. Pop it open. Drop it in. That one's done. Sweet. Okay. Shiitake down. Let's do, lion's mane next. And crack it open, keep it closed. Tough to find a healthy spot on this one, but I think I'm gonna do the scrape first. Just clean off the blade. Remember that this time. You don't want the two types of mushrooms competing too heavily. I'm gonna scrape. Yeah, let me just wrap this up real quick. Scrape onto that wedge. And cut there. Yeah, whoever saw the shelf video by chance, I got that wrapped up, and now we're pretty close to having that home gym for Christmas. So that's what that's about. Alright, that's lion's mane done. Go over here. God, the rings are just so sick. I don't know why it only happens for the second recipe, but I might keep going the second recipe just because of that. Got another healthy chunk out of this one. I'm gonna do the same thing. I kind of like the scrape and wedge tactic. I'll clean the blade. Let's get this cracked. Go from the other side. Scrape. Kind of like you're just scooping up cobwebs. I'll take this whole piece. Drop it in. Now for the random fourth one. I think, because I already have the king trumpets going in the grow bags and in the other liquid culture. Oh, this one. Yeah, I'll do lion's mane for this one. Let's see how it likes this media. Lion's mane, double check. Yep. The scrape and wedge tactic again. Pop you. Clean the blade. Scrape this direction now. Get it bunched up. Just take this whole corner. Super thick pour for number one. Not very necessary, but not too bad for the first set of plates. I'll do it. straight to the liquid culture, and then I'm going to get these taped up, make a little short out of this, and then on to making more liquid culture blanks.